With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, a question is a sample of FeSO4 and FeC2O4 is dissolved in H2SO4. The complete oxidation of sample required 8 by 3. Okay, it required 8 by 3 equivalent of KMnO4. After oxidation, the reaction mixture was reduced by zinc. Okay, Z is given, it is zinc. On again oxidation by KMnO4 required 5 by 3 equivalent. 5 by 3 equivalent. The mole ratio of FeSO4 and FeC2O4 is, we have to find out the mole ratio. Okay. Now, here first, your FeSO4 is given. So, we'll take FeSO4. In this, FeSO4, I'll consider it as a FeSO4 is given. So, it will be Fe2 plus. After oxidation, it will be losing one electron and it will become Fe3 plus. Fine. Now, Fe3 plus after reduction, after gaining electron from zinc. Question says it is gaining electron from zinc. It is getting reduced by zinc. So, it will become Fe2 plus. Okay. Now, go for next one. Next one is FeC2O4. It is Fe2 plus oxidation will take place and get converted to Fe3 plus. Again, on reduction, it get converted to Fe2 plus. Okay. Now here, in this C2O4 is remaining. So, C2O4, 2 minus, it get oxidized to CO2. Okay. This carbon dioxide get skipped from the reaction. Fine. Now, we have to find out the mole ratio. Okay. Now, for finding mole ratio, what it says, a sample of FeSO4 and Fe2CO3 is dissolved in H2SO4. The complete oxidation of sample required 8 by 3 equivalent of KMnO4. Okay. So, here it says complete oxidation of FeSO4 and FeC2O4 required 8 by 3 equivalent of KMnO4. So, equivalent of FeSO4 plus equivalent of FeC2O4 is equals to equivalent of KMnO4, right, is equals to equivalent of KMnO4. Fine. Now here this I'll consider as X. FeSO4 I'll consider as X and FeC2O4 I'll consider as Y. Fine. Now the oxidation state of Fe over here is 2 and after oxidation it get converted to 3. So the N factor, right? N factor will be 1 over here. N factor will be 1. Okay. Now same way here FeC2 is getting converted to Fe3 plus. Again here the N factor will be 1. Okay. Now equivalent weight is equals to mole into N factor. Mole into N factor. Right. So here I'll be considering mole as a x and N factor is 1 for FeSO4. So it is x into 1. For FeC2O4, I'll consider it as a y. Mole is y, and here N factor is, okay. Now look at here, C2O4 2 minus. Here C2O4 2 minus. First you calculate the oxidation state of carbon over here. C2O4 2 minus. When we'll calculate, it will be like 2x plus 4 into minus 2 is equals to minus 2. 2x minus 8 is equals to minus 2. 2x is equals to 6 and x equals to 3 plus 3, right? Okay, so here it is plus 3. This one is plus 3. So y into plus 3. Okay, y into plus 3. Here it is 8 by 3 given in the question. Now, when we'll solve, we'll get one equation. Our equation will be x plus 3y is equals to 8 upon 3. Okay, I can rearrange this, and after rearrangement I will be getting x is equals to 8 upon 3 plus 3y. Okay, now I'll give this as equation number 1. Okay, now reaction mixture is reduced by zinc. When reaction mixture is reduced by zinc, reduced by zinc. So here it is getting changed to Fe 3 plus 2, Fe 2 plus, right, for FeSO4. So again equivalent of FeSO4 plus equivalent of FeC2O4 will give rise to equivalent of KMnO4. Okay, now here when it is getting changed, check oxidation, change in oxidation state over here. N factor, it is 1, right? So x into 1, equivalent weight mole into N factor, and N factor is 1. It is getting changed from plus 3 to plus 2. Same way here also it is 1. So here y into 1, right? So same way I'll multiply over here. FeSO4 mole I am considering as a x. X into 1 is x. Here equivalent of FeC2O4. So mole of FeC2O4 I'll consider as a y. Y into 1 is y is equals to what is given, 5 by 3. It is already given in the question. Okay. Now in this equation I'll substitute the equation number 1 in equation number 2 at the place of x. Okay. So after substitution I'll be getting y equals to 1 by 2, and when I'll be substituting this equation 3 in equation 1, I'll be getting x equals to 7 by 6 after substitution. Okay. Now x equals to 6. They are saying they required mole ratio. Okay. They required mole ratio. In question they are asking for the mole ratio. Mole ratio of FeSO4 and Fe2C2O4. So these x and y are nothing but moles of FeSO4 and FeC2O4, right? So here we'll be taking ratio of these two, and it will become x upon y is equals to 7 upon 3. X is mole of FeSO4 and Y is mole of FeC2O4. Thank you. Your answer is 7 upon 3. So the correct option is 7 upon 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.